when we are discussing finding a figure's area, it is important that we know that there are two different methods in finding its area. First, we have subdividing. This means cutting your figure into parts. So here I'm going to draw a line over here and right here, creating 3 different rectangles. And I'm going to make sure I label those. So for rectangle 1, we need to find the area. We know that area is length times width of a rectangle. So here we have 6 and 4. These are the numbers of our length and our width. So then we multiply. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Don't forget your units, meters squared. So now we need to do that for the rest of our rectangles. So for rectangle 2, we're going to do the same thing. Over here, we have a 3. Now, we don't necessarily know without having measured units. So we take the whole length of our rectangle, subtract it by this number over here that we know. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So our length and our width is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 meters squared. Rectangle 3, is equal to 6 times 1. That is the length and the width. 6 times 1 gives us 6 meters squared. So to find the total area of this figure, we need to then add these together. So we will take 24 meters squared plus 6 meters squared plus 6 meters squared will give us a total of 36 meters squared. Again, don't forget your units because those are very important. So now that we have seen this way, let's do another method. Method 2 is by subtraction. So when we are subtracting, we want to fill in this gap that we have, or the missing part. So when we are using this method, we need to take the total area of the whole figure. So I'm going to put whole. So we know that it's still length times width. So now we need to go to our figure and figure out what our length and our width is. So here we have 8 and 6. That is our length and our width. So we do 8 times 6, which gives us 48. Don't forget your measure units, and it's meters squared. But that's for the whole thing. We know the whole thing, but here we have added the missing piece. So now we have to find the area of what we are missing. It again is length times width. So we know that this is 3 and this is 4. So then we just simply multiply again. 3 times 4, which gives us 12 meters squared. Remember, area is always squared units. So now to find the total area, you must subtract. So we take our 48 meters squared minus our 12 meters squared, which gives us a total of 36 meters squared. Both of these methods show us the same answers, no matter how you do them.